Hi guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you are doing really well and taking ample care of your health. So guys, today in this video we are gonna walk through Come to Canada tool. This is a wizard official by IRCC where you can check your visa options. You can say your arrival options to Canada based on your purpose and other factors. But before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So let's proceed, guys. So in front of you, I have a search for Come to Canada tool and I got this first link. I click on it. So you see there's a page where you can put answers and check your eligibility. So I'm gonna put sample answers. When you run through this wizard, do it as per your case so that you can find out suitable option as per your case. Okay guys, what would you like to do in Canada? Let's say you wanna work. How long? Let's say you wanna work, stay here permanently. Select the code that matches one of your passport. So this you can select. What is your current country or territory where you are now? They have a family member who's a current citizen permanent resident and is 18 years or older. So if anything is not clear, you can always click on these links and find out what do they mean. So I select no, but whatever is applicable in your case, you do. Your date of birth they have asked. Just sample. Okay, I click on next. What is your main reason to want to come to Canada? Find a permanent job in Canada, just join my family. So I just select this one. You may not get any option as well at the end if you don't satisfy all the criteria. Based on the information provided, the result will indicate whether you may be eligible to come to Canada. Express entry, and from here you can click on continue and carry over. If you want to start again, you can start again. What would you like to come to Canada? Work. Let's say you don't want to stay here permanently, temporarily more than 6 months, let's say 2 years, 3 years. What matters code on your passport? India. Current country as per your case. Family member, no. Date of birth. If you are a green card holder of US, it's asking. I select no. Do you have a job offer? I select yes. If you have, then do. If you don't have, then select no. Means put as per your case. What is the status of your job offer? Temporarily at least 1 year. You want to plan to work in these occupations? You can read it out. I select no. Are you spouse, common law partner, dependent child, or person who is applying for? See if you fall in that criteria. Have you recently graduated? What's your marital status? I select never married, but if you then put that information. So see, it shows that which option is available for you. So that's how you can go through it yourself and find out a proper and suitable option for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.